You feel tired, unmotivated, low on confidence, and you don't even know why. The truth is, your testosterone might be silently crashing, not because of age, but because of your daily habits. What's worse, you're probably doing these things every single day without realizing the damage. 1. Chronic sleep deprivation. Sleep is the foundation of hormonal health, yet it's one of the most ignored aspects of modern life. Staying up late scrolling, binge-watching, or working overtime may seem harmless. But it's not. Testosterone is primarily produced during deep sleep. When you consistently get less than 6 to 7 hours, your body simply doesn't get enough time to recover and produce optimal hormone levels. Over time, this leads to low energy, reduced libido, and poor physical performance. 2. Poor diet and excess sugar intake. What you eat directly impacts your hormones. Diets high in processed foods, unhealthy fats, and especially sugar can significantly reduce testosterone levels. Excess sugar spikes insulin, which disrupts hormonal balance. At the same time, a lack of essential nutrients like zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats weakens your body's ability to produce testosterone. The result? Fat gain, low stamina, and declining masculinity. 3. Lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle is one of the fastest ways to kill your testosterone. Sitting for long hours, avoiding exercise, and living a low-movement routine signals your body that strength and vitality are no longer needed. Regular strength training and physical activity are proven to boost testosterone naturally. Without it, your hormone levels drop, muscle mass decreases, and fatigue takes over. 4. Constant stress and mental pressure. Stress isn't just a mental issue, it's a hormonal one. When you're constantly under pressure, your body produces high levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol and testosterone have an inverse relationship. The higher your stress, the lower your testosterone. This leads to reduced motivation, poor mood, low libido, and even difficulty concentrating. 5. Excessive alcohol and smoking. Many men overlook how damaging these habits can be. Alcohol directly affects the body's ability to produce testosterone and can increase estrogen levels when consumed regularly. Smoking, on the other hand, damages blood circulation and overall health, which indirectly impacts hormone production. Together, these habits reduce energy, performance, and long-term vitality. Low testosterone doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of repeated daily habits. The scary part? Most men don't even realize they're slowly destroying their own potential. But here's the good news. The same habits that destroy testosterone can be replaced with ones that rebuild it. The real question is, will you keep ignoring the signs or start taking control before it's too late?